Hello everybody, I'm going to do a little review on some micro brick battle game pieces today. First one would be the Tiger 131, which has 57 pieces. Then it's the P-38 Lightning with 61 pieces, and the JU87 Stuka with 49 pieces. So here we go. Here is the Tiger 131 micro brick battle game piece. Contains 57 pieces. It's a cool little build. Utilizes a 1x7 technique piece on the bottom that represents the tracks. The turret does fully spin around. It's a cool little build. There's the barrel looking right at the camera. Haven't built any of these yet, so they are pretty interesting. Might have to take them in to put on my desk to display and show to my coworkers. Got a couple prints on it on each side with the 131 right there. Might have to get a few more of these. Okay, next up we have the P-38, which is right here. Move the camera up a little bit. Comes with a nice little stand with a translucent piece. There you go. Move that out of the way. The props actually do spin. That one's a little tight. It does have some landing gear underneath it there. Pretty cool little simple builds. They resemble the aircraft pretty well. There you go. A little 360 action on it. Haven't really read up into the instructions on the game yet to see how to play these. On the back of each of the instructions, they give you some statistics on the kits if you're playing. Not quite sure how to use all that yet. And the last one is the JU87 Stuka, which is right there. If you look at it head on, propeller spins. It's a little ice cream cone-ish decoration from the holiday sets there on the nose. Turned out pretty good. I like how the wings actually fold upward a little bit. Got the yellow in the kit there. Not really a lot you can do with the micro builds. You see the back side of the tile there showing the tail. There's the other side of it. Nice small little builds. Not much to say about them. They are done well. Here are all three of them together. They look pretty cool. Probably have to get a couple more, and I believe there's some instructions in the micro brick battle book for a few other ones. And get a few more of these things made. Anyway, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching, and please share these videos with your friends. Have a good night or good day.